Unmetric is a social media management and analytics tool that's gained popularity, but before you decide to buy, here are 12 things you need to know. With so many competitors out there, including the likes of Hootsuite and Sprout Social, let's see how Unmetric stacks up. First thing, Unmetric is heavily focused on analytics. While platforms like Hootsuite offer management alongside analytics, Unmetric leans more into competitive intelligence. If you're looking to measure your brand's performance against competitors in real time, this is where Unmetric shines. Next thing, it's not the most beginner-friendly tool. While it's great for in-depth reporting and analysis, beginners might find it a bit overwhelming compared to something like Buffer, which is simpler for new users. Unmetric is best for businesses looking for advanced data, so it's worth considering your level of experience with social media analytics. The third thing you should know is that Unmetric's reports are incredibly customizable. If you're someone who likes to dig deep into data and extract specific insights, Unmetric provides you with all the tools you need. But if you're just after basic social media insights, you might feel like it's more than you need. The fourth thing, Unmetric integrates well with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, but lacks some of the broader integrations of competitors like Sprout Social, which connects with platforms such as LinkedIn and Pinterest. If you manage a wide variety of social media accounts across many platforms, this could be a limiting factor. Next, Unmetric offers a lot of engagement tracking features. It's excellent for tracking how your content is performing, especially on a competitive level. However, compared to alternatives like Sprinkler, which offers a more comprehensive suite of customer engagement features, Unmetric's engagement features are a bit more basic. The sixth thing is its pricing. Unmetric is on the pricier side compared to other tools like SocialBee and Buffer, which offer more affordable options for businesses just starting out. If you're a small business, you might want to consider if the price point is worth it for the features you're getting. Next up, Unmetric's data reporting is designed for larger teams. So if you're working solo or with a small team, you might find the tool a bit cumbersome to navigate. Larger businesses with dedicated marketing departments will benefit the most from its advanced capabilities. The eighth thing is that Unmetric offers a detailed content calendar, but it lacks some of the collaborative features you'll find in platforms like CoSchedule. If you need to work on content planning with a larger team, you might find Unmetric a bit limited in this regard. The ninth thing to consider is Unmetric's focus on social media benchmarking. This allows you to track your competitors and analyze their content strategy. But if you're more focused on content creation and less on competition, this feature might not be as useful for you. The 10th thing is that Unmetric doesn't have a built-in publishing tool like Hootsuite does. So, if you want a platform that handles both your social media management and analytics in one, you might prefer a competitor that includes publishing features as part of their service. The 11th thing to note is Unmetric's customer support. It's responsive, but not as comprehensive as platforms like Sprout Social, which offers 24/7 support and a wealth of learning resources. If you run into issues, you might find Unmetric's support a bit slower or less in-depth. Finally, the last thing is that Unmetric is a great option if you want to dive deep into analytics and competitor insights. If you're looking for something simpler or with broader integrations, then it may not be the best fit. Overall, Unmetric is a solid choice for businesses that want robust social media analytics and competitor benchmarking. But if you're looking for a better rounded solution, try out our recommended option, which you can test for free.